I totally forgot. Sorry. It just started 10 seconds ago. Boom, 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 boom.
I think we won.
Hello?
Get closer.
Yeah.
My battery's about
So
to
it
die.
looks bigger.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Oh, just when you thought it's over.
We're just at her uncle, at her uncle's house. She's probably gonna be coming back in a little while. We're
No.
we're probably gonna be done shortly. You know, if you, I was saying on the way home, would that be better, or?
It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, you want on the way back home from here? You want to stop at like CVS or something?
Is that it?
It's over.
Then when we go home.
It's like one of those candles that doesn't stop.
Is that it?